Hi, good morning. I'm Alberto Chiozzi, CEO and co-founder of Suncubes. In Suncubes, we are developing new technologies for transferring energy without the need for cables, so wireless power beaming. Currently, we are applying this technology in many different sectors, from drones to camera to sensor IoTs. How does the system work? We have two elements, a transmitter that you can see here that is attached to a laser module that produces the laser beam, and it's implanted here behind, where we have a Galilean telescope that increase the beam of the laser and make it so that in parallel, so that it can recharge up to 1 kilometer distance. On the other side, instead, we have a receiver that is plugged in into the drone itself. That is similar to a solar panel, so it works by converting that beam of laser light back into electricity, enabling the in-flight recharge of drones. We do have sensor for understanding the relative position of the laser in respect to the solar cell, so that we can then move the transmitter in order to align it with the drone flying. So yeah, this was Suncubes. You can check out our website, that's suncubes.space. Thank you so much.